V-Bucks are Fortnite's special money. You use them inside the popular game. They let you buy very cool outfits, and also new fun dance moves. The Battle Pass also needs V-Bucks. These items make your character look unique. Many players really want these cosmetics, so V-Bucks are super important for fun. Fortnite is a truly massive game now. Millions and millions of people play it. Everyone desires the newest, coolest skins. But V-Bucks can cost quite a lot. This common issue makes players look for sales. They naturally want to get more for less. Saving your hard-earned money is always good. This is especially true for dedicated players. The big hunt for cheap V-Bucks is real. Gamers search online forums every day. They watch countless YouTube videos for tips. Everyone secretly hopes for a magic trick. This guide is here to help you out. We want you to be able to save cash, so you can get much more cool stuff. Let's explore exactly how to do this. We will look at several different methods. Some of these tricks are well known already. Others might be some newer ideas for you. Remember, today is May 21st, 2025. Things can change fast in the game world. So, having up-to-date information is key. Let's go unlock those V-Bucks savings. Your Fortnite digital wallet will thank you later. A VPN is a virtual private network. It can effectively change your online location. It makes websites think you are somewhere else. This tool is useful for many online things. One specific use is finding regional prices. Some countries have much cheaper digital goods. A VPN can help you see these prices. It's like having a digital passport for shopping. So why pick Turkey for V-Bucks? Turkey often has lower video game prices. This sometimes includes Fortnite V-Bucks too. The value of the Turkish lira plays a role. Many smart players have tried this method. They connect their VPN to a Turkish server. Then they carefully check the V-Bucks store. It has become a popular money-saving trick. Using a Turkey VPN is pretty simple. First, you need to get a good VPN service. Install the VPN application on your device, then connect to a server located in Turkey. After that, open the Fortnite game store. Or you can use the platform store like Vbucks. You might then see game prices in lira. These prices could be significantly much lower, but you must know there are risks involved. Epic Games, the maker of Fortnite, might not like this. Your game account could get a warning, or even a ban in some very rare cases. Using free VPNs can also be quite unsafe. They might try to sell your personal data. Always read Epic Games' terms of service first. Proceed with caution and full awareness, please. Always look for the official store sales. Epic Games sometimes has special promotions. The Fortnite item shop might offer good deals. You should keep an eye on game news. Special in-game events often bring discounts. Holidays are also very good times to check. These official sales are safe and very easy. You are buying directly from Epic Games. Game bundles are usually a great value. Fortnite often sells many special bundles. These typically include character skins and V-Bucks. Sometimes they also include other cosmetic items. Bundles are usually cheaper to buy overall, much cheaper than buying all items one by one. Look for things like starter packs in the store. Seasonal bundles also offer pretty good deals. You should check third-party retailers as well. Authorized official sellers might have discounts. They often sell V-Bucks gift cards. Look at big, well-known online stores, places such as Amazon or Best Buy. But be very careful about online scams. Only ever buy from trusted official sources. Never use shady or unknown gift card websites. Promotional offers can sometimes just appear. These are often tied to other products, for example, buying new computer hardware. A powerful graphics card might include V-Bucks. Some mobile phone plans had offers before. These types of deals are not very common, but they are certainly worth watching out for. You might get lucky and find one. Fortnite Save the World mode can help. This is the player versus environment game mode. It is very different from Battle Royale. Original founders could earn V-Bucks here. This was possible through daily logins and missions. However, new player access to this changed. So this method might not be for everyone now. Check if it still works for your account type. The Battle Pass is a good V-Bucks source. It usually costs 950 V-Bucks to buy, but you can earn those V-Bucks back by playing the game and leveling it up. You can often earn up to 1500 V-Bucks. That is enough for the next Battle Pass, and you will have some extra for the shop. This is a great system for regular players. What about more free V-Bucks in 2025? We can try to make some predictions. Epic Games might add completely new ways. More in-game special events could give rewards. These rewards might then include free V-Bucks. Perhaps there will be special community challenges, or maybe new daily login bonuses for all players. We all hope Epic becomes more generous soon. Smarter purchasing definitely saves you money. Using VPNs for cheaper prices needs care. Always look for official sales and discounts. Bundles in the store offer good value too. Hopefully the year 2025 brings more free V-Bucks. These various methods help avid Fortnite players. You can enjoy Fortnite without overspending cash. Play smart, look for deals, and save your money.